To begin setting up Remote Play Anywhere, first ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet. For optimal performance, use an Ethernet cable connection rather than Wi-Fi, as this provides more stable and consistent streaming quality. On your PS5, navigate to the Settings menu, then go to System and select Remote Play. Here you'll find the option to enable Remote Play, which allows streaming to devices on your local network. Next, enable Remote Play Anywhere in the same Remote Play Settings menu. This feature allows streaming over the internet and requires an active PS Plus subscription at the Essential tier or higher. It securely links your PS5 to your Sony account. Now, pair your PlayStation Portal with the PS5. On the PS5, navigate to Settings, System, Remote Play, Link Device to generate a pairing code. Enter this code on your Portal device when prompted. Ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for the initial pairing process. Finally, download the PlayStation app on your smartphone from the App Store. Sign in with your Sony account, select the Remote Play option, and connect to your PS5 over the internet. Once connected, your Portal can remotely wake up the PS5 and begin streaming games from anywhere with a stable internet connection. Once the initial setup is complete, your PlayStation Portal will be able to remotely wake up your PS5 and stream games from anywhere. Ensure your PS5 is set to rest mode to allow this remote activation feature. The first step in using the PlayStation Portal for remote play away from home is to ensure your PS5 console is properly configured in rest mode. Rest mode allows the console to remain in a low-power state while maintaining network connectivity, enabling remote wake-up from the Portal. This is crucial because the PS5 needs to be accessible over the internet for Remote Play Anywhere to function. Without rest mode enabled, the console cannot be remotely activated, which would prevent you from starting a session when you're away from home. To enable this, navigate to the PS5's power settings and select Rest Mode, ensuring network features remain active. Once the PS5 is in rest mode, power on your PlayStation Portal. The device will boot up quickly, typically within 10 to 15 seconds. Next, establish a network connection, which is essential for remote play. You can connect to a Wi-Fi network if available, or use cellular data for true mobility. For Wi-Fi, select your network from the Portal's settings and enter the password. If using cellular, ensure your data plan is active and has sufficient speed. This connection allows the Portal to communicate with your PS5 over the internet. Remember that cellular data may incur additional costs, so plan accordingly for data usage. With the Portal powered on and connected, open the Remote Play application. This dedicated app is pre-installed on the Portal and serves as the interface for connecting to your PS5. Upon launching, the app automatically begins searching for available PS5 consoles linked to your Sony account over the internet. This search process uses Sony's secure servers to locate your console, regardless of your physical location. The app will display any found consoles, allowing you to select the appropriate one. If multiple PS5s are registered to your account, ensure you choose the correct one. After the search completes, select your PS5 from the list of available devices. The Portal will then attempt to establish a secure connection. This process involves authentication through your Sony account and encryption to protect your gaming session. Once connected, the Portal begins streaming the PS5's display in real time, allowing you to control it remotely. The connection uses advanced compression technology to minimize latency and ensure smooth gameplay. If the initial connection fails, the app will provide error messages to help troubleshoot issues. For the best remote play experience, ensure your internet connection meets the minimum requirements of 15 Mbps upload speed. This upload bandwidth is critical for sending your controller inputs back to the PS5 and receiving the compressed video stream. Slower speeds can result in increased latency, which affects gameplay in fast-paced titles. Additionally, be aware of data consumption. A typical 2-hour gaming session can use between 5 to 10 gigabytes of data, depending on resolution and activity. Monitor your data plan to avoid unexpected charges. If you encounter lag or disconnections, verify your network stability and ensure that no firewall or router settings block port 9302, which is the default port used for remote play connections. Troubleshooting may involve adjusting router settings or using a wired connection for the PS5 at home. The PlayStation Portal offers advanced features designed to replicate the console gaming experience. The touchscreen provides intuitive touch controls for navigation, while haptic feedback delivers realistic vibrations that enhance immersion in games. Adaptive triggers adjust resistance dynamically, just like the DualSense controller, allowing for precise control in racing or shooting games. These features work together to create a seamless transition from home console to remote play, minimizing the differences between local and remote gaming. The Portal's ergonomic design and built-in controls ensure comfort during extended sessions. Finally, to ensure the best possible remote play experience, regularly check for and install firmware updates on the PlayStation Portal. These updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and new features that enhance compatibility with the latest PS5 software. Updates can be downloaded and installed directly through the Portal's settings menu when connected to the internet. Keeping both the Portal and PS5 firmware current helps maintain security, stability, and access to the latest remote play capabilities.